Explaining canine yawning. Signals and symptoms. Yawns are usually an indication of fatigue or boredom, but there's a slight nuance when it comes to canines. If your dog yawns at an unusual time or in an unusual place, you may want to pay attention to that because it could indicate a number of potentially serious issues. So, what does it imply when your dog yawns? To find out, keep reading. An affectionate yawn from your dog. People are more prone to yawn if they experience or anticipate another yawn. It's also a thing that can happen to dogs. That is to say, we can detect the yawn of our peers because we are naturally empathic. Dogs' levels of empathy are hard to gauge, but it seems likely that yawning indicates a close relationship with its human companion. New York Times reported on a study that indicated dogs can catch yawns from humans, which the study's authors interpreted as a sign of closeness between dog and human. This could mean that your dog is mimicking your yawns since they see you doing it. Because they are anxious, your dog is yawning. While it's normal for dogs to yawn every once in a while, chronic yawning could be an indicator of nervousness or tension in your pet. Watch how often, where, and how often your dog yawns. It's normal for dogs to yawn intermittently before bed or on walks as a form of excitement regulation, especially if they know something fun is on the horizon. But if you see your dog yawning repeatedly in stressful situations, like waiting at the vet's office, it may be an indication that your pet is feeling overwhelmed and is using yawning as a coping mechanism for its anxieties. You should do what you can to remove your dog from the stressful situation and assist them relax. If you see that they are yawning as a result of anxiety, the yawning should slow down if your dog's anxiety levels decrease. Avoiding confrontation by yawning. The yawn is a relaxing canine gesture intended to avoid confrontation. To put it another way, it means my patience is wearing thin. If your dog is getting frustrated during training, he may yawn as a way to take a short break and calm down. If your dog yawns when confronted with a larger or more aggressive dog, it may be sending the message, "I don't want any trouble," which is a passive behavior, and yawning is a signal to other canines that it's okay to take it easy. Your dog could simply be exhausted. In conclusion, yawning is often an indicator of fatigue. The majority of yawning in both dogs and humans can be attributed to the same causes. They are exhausted, that's why. A yawn from your dog could simply indicate that he or she is exhausted and looking forward to getting some shut-eye. If your dog has spent the afternoon at the dog park or doing laps around the house, or if they yawn shortly before bedtime, it's likely that they are just tired and ready to sleep.